Welcome. In front of me is an LG K11 and today I'll show you how to import contacts from SIM to your device. So to get started, let's open up your dialer app and from here tap on contacts, which I already am at. You can tap on the three dots and then go into manage contacts. And from here you have a couple options, but we're interested in the first one, which is import. Then choose where you want to import it from, so SIM card. And two, I have one option here, phone. Now if you're logged into Google, it will also show the email address which you can import it to your Google account. So whenever you log into that account on different devices, it will be synced between all of them. So now I only have the phone, so that's what I'm going to stick with, and press OK. And then it shows you all the contacts that are located on the SIM. And as you can see, there's not very many, but you can just choose whichever ones you want and tap on import. Once more import, and you're done. Now the contacts have been imported, and you can see them by the fact that they don't actually have this SIM card icon next to them. So all the ones that are just like in the circle without anything next to it are the ones that are on the device. Now the ones with the SIM card, once you remove the SIM card, they will be removed from your contacts. So that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.